Did you know that by the time a woman reaches menopause, she can have lost up to 60% of her natural lip volume? Why is this? As estrogen declines, which it does during perimenopause and menopause, so does collagen, so does elastin and hyaluronic acid production, which leads to thinner, less defined lips, fine lines, lip lines around the mouth. When you put lipstick on it, it kind of bleeds into the upper lip, loss of natural lip colour, dry, cracked lips. The science behind this really is collagen breakdown. Estrogen plays a role in collagen synthesis. The less collagen we have, the faster the breakdown, thinner lips and fine lines appear around the the lip area. We have reduced blood flow. Estrogen helps maintain capillary function, so we have less circulation, we have that less like rosy colour to the lips. Water loss and dehydration. Declining estrogen affects the skin's barrier, leading to dry, flaky lips, with that don't have the ability to hold on or retain moisture. And then muscle weakening, so we lose the muscle tone around the lip area. So what can we do? Hydration is non-negotiable. Drink more water. Lips have no oil glands and they rely on hydration. You can use a humidifier to prevent dehydration. Eat water-rich foods. Cucumbers, watermelons, oranges, leafy greens all help to boost our hydration. And then when we think of natural things that you can do without using fillers, you can use peptide-based lip serums. The peptides can help trigger collagen synthesis, helping to restore lost volume. Collagen supplements with type 1 and 3 in collagen to help support lip elasticity and hydration. And vitamin C is needed for collagen production, so making sure you're getting enough vitamin C. And then one thing that we don't think about is exfoliating the lip area, using a specific product to gently remove dead skin cells. This helps to stimulate the circulation, enhance natural lip colour, and using a good rich lip balm that contains a sun protection factor. Another thing that you maybe don't do is using a mask on the lip area. There's some wonderful hyaluronic acid lip masks, which hyaluronic acid is a wonderful moisturising ingredient. This gives instant hydration. And then SPF, as I said, very important that you have that in your lip balm. Other things you can do, I'm sure you've heard of facial yoga. You can do that to stimulate the lip area, work on muscle tone. And then you can obviously have aesthetic treatments. Lip microneedling with peptides over the lip area can help to boost collagen production. And also red light therapy, LED therapy, has been shown to improve circulation and stimulate hyaluronic acid production in the lip area.